Okay, so let's review what price did in the NY session. I did not trade because we had the FMC. I mean, we have the FMC, it's gonna be soon. So let me review what happened. So I wasn't looking at the charts. This is my first time today. So on the daily, we are still bearish, as you can see. Okay. So okay, let's see if I can maybe replay this to 9:15. That's fine. But I think it's gonna go back right to where it was. Yeah. Why? I don't know why this doesn't work. It's so stupid. If I go to the higher time frame and not the lower. Okay, so this time it stayed. Okay, so if I do to the daily, then it goes back. Okay. We are not gonna go to the daily, I guess. So let's go to the 4 hour. Let's see what we have there. So I believe this is all already played out. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna mark out this low right here, this low. These are all 4 hour sell sets, and we would mark out this for our buy set liquidity pool, and let's go to the 1 hour. So yeah, this is already played out. It's weird, this shit doesn't work. Okay, so we would mark this low and these lows. Let's go to the 15-minute. Stupid because it plays out. Okay, so 9:30 is the next candle. Let's mark it out. So 9:30, 10, and 11. Let's see if we have something. So firstly, we can see that we are trading inside of this range right there. Let's see how this next candle lasts. So the first swing high would be this one in the premium of the move, and these and these. So these are the liquidities, these three swing highs. Let's see, we're gonna mark them out like this. We can do it like this. Let's put a dollar sign in the middle. Okay, so we have this. Let me mark out 8:30 opening price. Okay, that's fine. And midnight opening price, meaning this would be also the half day, and this would be the low day. Okay, so we have that. Let's see what London did. So in London we have this being the London high, and the London low has already been taken out. Okay, so we might go ahead and take that out. Okay, so let's see what price decides to do. Okay, so we sweep higher, sweep these liquidities. So at this moment we can definitely target these liquidities lower. Now one thing is that we don't have a fair value gap, but we have actually here fair value gap. So we are inside of a fair value gap, which is very nice. So we have sweep of key liquidity, and we have a fair value gap, and we have clean targets. We have the bias also in our favor, and also we have the time in our. So we have a fair value gap, a bias, a sweep of key liquidity, and clear targets, and time is right. So now we have to see a displacement, fair value gap to displacement, or a break of structure, fair value gap, and then a move to the target. Okay, so let's do the 1 minute here, and let's see what we have. So this is not a good break of structure right there. So let's see what happens next. Now this is a better one. This is actually the first one, so we could go ahead and use this 2 minutes fair value gap maybe to short with a stop above here. So let's do 6.5, and the target will be 1 to 3, which is, this is a quite large trade. So yeah, but we'll see how this is So let's say that the trade went like this. So we have an energetic displacement and a fair value gap. So now we have to wait for price to go back into this 2-minute fair value gap, and it does it here. So let me try and actually like take this trade on here. Press sell, and let's put the stop right there. So basically a 1% risk on 5k. Okay, this is fine. Let's see how this would have played out. So the 1 to 2, okay, sorry. 1 to 2, what? 1 to 2 would be here. Okay, so we smashed through the 1 to 2, meaning we can lower this right there, and then leave it the target to get reached. If it wants to get reached, and it was. Okay, so this is actually a pretty good setup, even though it was FMC day. Wow, this is a really sniper entry, as you can see. I'm like kind of jealous that I didn't take this now, but in most of the times these days are not as good as this. So yeah, there are some unique days like this one, and yeah, that's completely fine. Okay, so we can exit out of this now. Yeah, that's about it. That's the move. Time is right here, so that was the move, really. Yeah, that's about it in terms of the move. Yeah, that's it. We are waiting for tomorrow. We are trading. These are our targets right here, so we'll see what happens. Wow, very nice trade actually. So I did not expect it, to be honest, but price sometimes surprises us, so yeah, that's fine.